there's a new event in Fish. You can get a level and money. So let's go do it. So you just need go to Musud and go in the Kursi. Just go in the Kursi, okay? And talk this man. Talk this boy. And just wait to him to finishing to talk. So go in there what I'm going to and just unlock the exclusive pool or all of the item, and go in this area and you can get it all in there and just grind peacefully. Congrats, you get some good fish and good level ups. So look at that. Look at that, bro. So good level up. So bye bye.